Setting up Alexa voice control for your Dyson fan starts with ensuring you have a compatible model. Compatible models include the Dyson Pure Humidify Plus Cool Crypto Mic, Dyson Purifier Hot Plus Cool, and other recent Dyson air purifiers. First, download the My Dyson app from your device's app store and create an account. Add your Dyson fan to the app by following the setup instructions. Make sure your fan is connected to your Wi-Fi network. Next, install the Amazon Alexa app and set up your Echo device if you haven't already. Make sure your Echo device is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Dyson fan. Now comes the crucial step, enabling the Dyson skill in the Alexa app. You can either say, "Alexa, enable Dyson skill," or manually search for it in the skills section of the Alexa app. Finally, link your Dyson account to Alexa. Open the My Dyson app, go to Settings, and select Link with Alexa. Follow the prompts to complete the connection. Once linked, you can start using voice commands to control your Dyson fan. Now that your Dyson fan is connected to Alexa, you can control it using simple voice commands. The most basic command is to turn your device on or off. Beyond basic on-off controls, you can use more advanced commands to adjust specific settings like fan speed, temperature control, and special modes like night mode for quieter operation. The real power comes from integrating your Dyson fan into Alexa routines and groups. You can create custom routines that control multiple devices at once, like a bedtime routine that turns on your fan while dimming the lights. Looking toward the future, smart fan technology is becoming even more advanced. AI-powered systems can predict your preferences and automatically adjust fan speeds based on room conditions, weather patterns, and your daily routines. These smart integrations can result in significant energy savings, with some systems showing up to 71% reduction in compressor energy usage during cooling seasons, making your home both more comfortable and more efficient.